RAMS 2014. As with all our RAMS equipment, the RAMS 2014 auxiliary machine carries a standard 2-year warranty and is 100% American-made. The RAMS 2014 is equipped with a 5-horsepower, 208-230-volt single-phase motor and runs at approximately 50 feet per minute. This one-of-a-kind 9-station double-sided machine is capable of producing 11 different profiles, saving time, space, and money. The RAMS 2014 auxiliary machine, with its unique design, is positioned to revolutionize the roll-forming industry. Startup shops can benefit by purchasing the base machine and adding new roller sets as needed at a fraction of the cost of buying a new machine for a single purpose. This benefit also holds true for established production shops looking to eliminate the need for multiple machines. The RAMS 2014 auxiliary machine is a great space saver for shops with limited square footage. Aside from our competitors, this machine has several cost-saving, innovative features. Hardened guide bars and wear plates to eliminate wear caused by plasma cut material. Unique design, which requires no tooling, no keys, and no adjustments. The quick-release hinge top, which allows easy and convenient access when changing out the rollers or clearing metal jams. Square drive shafts with quick button release mechanisms, which allow an operator to change a complete roll set to produce a different profile in less than 5 minutes. A pressurized spring-loaded top plate, which allows you to quickly and easily remove jams. Our operator will now form a 5/8" T-connect, one of 6 available forms on the 6-in-1 tap-in roll set. This set can create a 5/8" T-connect, a 5/8" standing seam, and 4 different variations off the right angle. You will now see by simply turning the lock nut and pulling the locking pin, the entry guide bar is adjusted from a 5/8" T-connect to a 1/2" right angle. The exit bar is then adjusted to correspond with the selected right angle position. Next, our operator will demonstrate how quickly and efficiently a roll set is changed from the 6-in-1 to a drive cleat profile. Warning: disconnect power sources and turn machine off when changing roll sets or to clear a metal jam. First, loosen the lock nuts on either side to remove top cover. Next, loosen the locking knobs under the table on both sides to fold down tabletop into side panels. Note: the 9 roller stations are always numbered from power switch to the opposite side of the machine, regardless of which side of the machine you are standing on. While installing new rollers, always be sure to check the stamp on the roll to ensure they are in correct sequential numeric order, with the T's on top and B's on bottom, starting with station 1 at the power switch end to the opposite end. Remove the roll set simply by pressing the quick button release mechanism and sliding rolls off. It is best to slide top and bottom rolls on and off simultaneously, as many roll sets are interlocking. Be sure the drive shaft and roll bores are clean and free of debris before installing new rolls. Wiping with a clean cloth between changes is sufficient. The optional storage tray and stand combine convenient use, organization, and storage for the operator. Notice how easy it is to keep your full roll sets handily located and neatly organized. Complete the roll change by flipping up the side panels to form the tabletop. Make sure both panels are completely seated and tighten the locking knobs on both sides. Replace the top cover and tighten lock knobs. Changing the guide bar will require a 1/2-inch wrench. Change the exit guide bars to correspond with the selected roll set. The guide bars have location arrows on them, indicating which side faces the operator. Retighten the bolts. No adjustments required. Re-establish power connection and turn on the machine. A complete roll set change in less than 5 minutes. You are now ready to form a drive cleat. Be sure to square your metal to the entry guide bar. Next, we will demonstrate the RAMS-2014. The Acme double seam. Now our operator will complete the most uniform Pittsburgh lock using the RAMS-2014 roll set. Please note, this set comes with an additional 2 rollers to change from 24 through 28 gauge capacity to 20 to 22 gauge capacity. Lastly, our operator will demonstrate the RAMS-2200 female button lock and the RAMS-2100 male button lock form concurrently. An additional thing to consider when using the female roll set is the installation of the 3 forming blocks, which are essential to completing the profile. These blocks are only to be used with a female button lock and must be removed when using any other roll sets. Increase your productivity by eliminating downtime caused by time-consuming metal jams. To simulate a jam, our operator will simply turn off the machine after the metal has partially entered the machine. Again, Prior to cleaning metal jam, always disconnect machine from power source. First, remove top cover by loosening quick release knobs. Next, loosen the 4 stabilizing nuts on the top plate. And then loosen both jam release bolts, alternating sides to allow top plate to elevate evenly. Loosen jam bolts with a wrench, then finish loosening using both hands to let top raise up evenly. As the jam bolts are loosened, the top plate of the gearbox lifts from the bottom plate automatically with a little help from the operator. Once enough room has been created, the metal is easily removed and the jam is cleared. Return machine to working condition by tightening down jam bolts simultaneously by hand, while making sure gear teeth are meshing properly. Occasionally, when the metal is pulled out, it will cause rotation of the shaft. If this happens, simply rotate the shaft by hand to align teeth. Be sure to check the gear teeth are properly aligned and fully meshing prior to tightening the top plate back down. This will avoid damage and prevent gear teeth from chipping. Securely tighten the jam bolts and the 4 stabilizing bolts to lock down the top plate. Secure the top cover with the locking knobs and you're back in business. If you would like more information on the RAMS-2014 auxiliary machine or our full product line, visit our website at www.ramsequipment.com or call us at 262-925-8920.